Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's kind of sort of not really a tutorial on how to do some emoji nail art. Oh my gosh, my cat! No, she's here to say hi while I'm doing this little voiceover. No, for real. I filmed this quite a while ago, so I figured I'd go ahead and post so it's not just filling up, storage on my iPad. But yeah, so for starters, my niece gave me this super cute like little nail decal set thingy-majiggy. I figured I'd go ahead and use it because, it's a gift, and actually I really like all these like little nail stickies that it came with. I prefer to freehand most of my nail art, but my hands kind of shake a little bit sometimes. So yeah, well, I'm still going to be using acrylic paint and as well as toothpicks for like this tutorial. I will be using one of the little stickers later on. As for the actual emojis, pretty like self-explanatory. You're just going to start off with a yellow base, and first just going to go in with a toothpick, nail dotting tool, just whatever you have on hand, and just paint whatever emoji you want. I decided to paint on this one that's like a little emoji blowing a kiss. So unfortunately, the only other nail design that I filmed, because like this was back in February, was this one. I send this emoji quite a lot to my boyfriend. It is just the emoji with like the little hearts and expressing love and whatnot. But yeah, I know. Got burned the other day, so I'm gonna whip off a little glove just so you guys don't have to see my burn scars. I scar very easily, sadly, so considering getting a tattoo to cover it up. But as of May 2023, I decided to go ahead and like finish filming as well as finish like this nail art set. As you see, emojis aren't like super hard to paint on. It's just, life happened and I just never filmed the pinky nail. Like I said, I love my niece. I love the gift she got me. So I just grabbed this one that's like the little lingua sticking out. And okay, it kind of looks sort of different from the rest of the nails, but now I can say officially the nails are done. Update, since like my last few videos, I'm no longer going to be like gluing my nails onto like toothpicks, because as you can see, yeah, they break and they snap, and I needed to step up my nail game. At the time, kind of sort of still am, living paycheck to paycheck, but I saw these cute little like nail thingies on Amazon, so I figured I'd go ahead and, invest and buy them. But yeah, as for the actual nails, like, if you film them or you paint them, you can add any top coat of your choice. I always just prefer matte finishes. I really like how it makes the nails look, plus it doesn't add like a little glare whenever I take pictures later on, because to be honest, I don't have the best lighting in my house. But to each their own, if you like a shiny finish or even like a hollow finish, you like the sparkles, go for it. I mean, this is your nail art after all. And yeah, like I said, not really fully a tutorial. I mean, it's pretty simple and easy. I always just use my nail art like with, just cheap acrylic paint. I mean, it used to be 50 cents, now it's 97 cents, and just a toothpick. And emoji nails are like the easiest nail art you can do. Like, seriously guys, I used to do emoji nails all the time when I was in high school, but I never filmed a video for some reason. Oh, but right here what you're seeing is the struggle of me removing the actual toothpick from like the little nail design. Yeah, not doing that method anymore. A few more nails that are glued on toothpicks, so you're still gonna see that, unfortunately, but for like the remaining of my nail videos going into the future, they're gonna be on these cool like little nail decal thingamajiggies. Goodness, I've rambled on and on. But okay, so if you're like a normal human being, you can just like use regular nail glue to adhere these onto your real nails. However, because of OSHA violations and whatnot, interferes with my job, I cannot have false nails on for work, so instead I'm going to use these super cool like little nail stickies thingy-majiggies that I bought at Walmart. With these, I can adhere the false emoji nails onto my real nails and remove them safely without like any damage whatsoever. But yes guys, here it is. Here's the finished emoji nail art. Not really a tutorial. Don't really know what to call this video at this point, but like I said, this is a video I filmed back in February and just never posted because, life happened. Tired of just like working all the time and like not doing stuff that makes me happy. And even though this is not a career, nail art does make me happy. It's just a hobby I really enjoy doing that I've been doing for literally years, since I was 9 years old. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's like rambling video as well as the nail art. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching.